north on the tree. Straight north on the tree. Straight north on the tree. Hit, then come back. 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 Brawl inside you. Brawl inside you. Brawl inside you. Guys, keep brawling inside you. Keep brawling inside you. Full defense on the full defense on the gate. Full defense on the gate. Ready clerics. Full defense on the gate. Come inside the gate. Come inside the gate. Come inside the gate. Tell me ready. Tell me ready, guys. Yo, full defense abroad. Defense abroad. Defense. Go out. Go. Deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast. Deep northeast. Come back. Nice kill. Keep cleansing, guys. Keep cleansing. Defense at the front. Defense ready. Defense at the front, okay? Go inside, guys. Go inside. Full defense abroad. Defense. Go out now. Ready. Deep northeast again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast. It's big. It's fucking big. It's the fucking biggers. Keep pushing them northeast. Okay, come back now. Chill. Wala mo ng defenses. Keep brawling inside you. If you have reds inside you, keep brawling them. Okay, nice J. Spread now. 5
seconds ready.
Okay, masyadong malayo.
Spread now.
Hindi may heal dyan pag malayo.
Okay, come back now. Yo, Wicked, come back. Be careful.
He's got it.
Ba't umali sila?
Help front.
Inupul tayo.
Oo. Vermin, anong rank nyo, boy? Anong rank nyo ba last season?
Wala.
Come back. Keep cleansing the front, guys. Don't spam your cleanse without...
Huwag na lumabas.
Kayo lumabas na, mahirap nga may heal kayo.
Come back inside.
Masyado ka malalim.
Everyone come back inside. Pag dumikit to, ready to pull them, ha. Yo, straight, wait. Pull them. Straight north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight, pull them on the gate. Then come back now. Defense up front. Ready clerics. Defense now. Bombing kami. Nice buff, bro. Nice buff. Yo, defense up front. Pumper clerics, guys. Okay, come go out now. Brawl northeast. I mean, brawl inside you. Just brawl inside you on the gate. On the gate. Brawl inside the gate. Come. Labas now. Look shallow northwest now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northwest. Pull something. Okay, come back now.
Inching.
Ready clerics. Peel. Nice J. Defense up front. Wait, defense up front.
Oh no, masyadong malalim sila Lester.
Defense up front. Guys, healer ka, Lester. Di mo kailangan masyado dumit. 9 minutes lang hold natin dito. Everyone go inside. Yo, everyone go inside. Wala, dapat mamamatay. Yo, come back inside. Everyone come back inside.
Ano si Lester healer?
Oh, come back inside. Ilang percent to?
1 bar battle mount niya.
25. Defense up front.
25.
Okay. Last hit tayo, then we hold, okay? Alpox, ready to pull yung northwest dito sa akin. Harap ko dito, okay? Ready. Northwest corner in the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest corner in the gate. Hit. Come back now. Spread on my southwest. Dali. If you're not a tank, you should not be in front of me. Defense up front. Hits on Binzerk.
Okay lang.
Spread on my southwest. If you're not a tank. Southwest. Uy.
5%, mababasag na yan.
Gigi, okay lang. Keep cleansing the...
Arcanes need cleanse.
Yeah, chill. Spread on my southwest, guys. Spread on my southwest. Again, spread on my southwest.
Discounted battle mount 30 seconds.
Okay. You need to cleanse. Cleanse yung mga stock mo.
4%.
Na stock ng DPS.
Yo, spread on my southwest. Spread on my southwest.
Nice.
Ready D-tanks. Okay, just hold, guys. We play counter. Okay, hold. Just hold.
Ready defensive, ha?
Everything northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Hit northeast shallow. Keep rolling, keep hitting. Okay, ready, defense now. Full defense. Keep rolling inside you. Ang daming mamamatay. Keep rolling inside you, guys. Come southwest. I tell you, come southwest. Come southwest now. Okay, come southwest. Kailangan, finish ko to. Come southwest nga. Spread rin. Spread
Ready battle mount.
6
Okay,
minutes
okay.
before
Come southwest.
chest open ah.
We play counter again. Come southwest. Use doubles inside you. Keep cleansing niya, DPS, saka ano.
Ready cleric ah.
Ready cleric calls, guys. Di sila makapag-engage na maayos. Markahan ko ngayon nakikita. Yo,
Ranging
up. Yo, spread on my southwest. Spread on my southwest. Again, spread on my southwest. Ready clerics, okay? Ready clerics. Again, ready clerics. Spread on my southwest. Party to brawlers, do your thing. Party to brawlers, do your thing. Yo, everyone. Look northeast, look northwest pala. Northwest behind us. 5, 4, 3, southwest now. 2, 1. Southwest. Hit southwest. Then pull defense now.
Defensive.
Pull defense. Popper clerics. Okay, push them north. Ang daming low. Push them outside. Everyone go outside. Try to catch them. Try to catch them. Yes. Try to catch them. Be offensive. Keep cleansing, guys. Keep cleansing. Ready. Keep cleansing.
Sa gitna mo.
Keep rolling inside us, guys.
Balik.
Look northeast in 5, in 4, after J2, 1. Hit northeast. Pull the best up front. Push them. Popper pots, guys. Push them northeast. Hello. Nakikita nyo ako? Ang laki ko, northeast, wala dito sila. Pull the best na up front. Popper clerics. Pasok nga ulit. Ang gulo nyo. Come southwest, go inside. Go inside, spread.
They will be engaging in 5.
Go inside and spread. Come southwest, ready your clerics. Come southwest and spread. Okay, looking. Depends on the northeast. Okay, inside us in 5, 4, in the middle, and 2, 1, in the middle. Hit the middle. Everyone hit. Then keep rolling northeast, guys. Look for lows. Keep rolling northeast, guys. I tell you, keep rolling northeast. Yung mga ang dami nalolo dito. Inside us.
They're kiting.
Rolling. Yo, comeback nga.
Si Kimi oh.
Comeback. Medyo ang dumi nyo. Comeback inside.
1 bar battle mount.
Okay, come southwest. Dismount ka
Ang
na
init,
ulit.
bubukas na to ah.
Yan yung sila mag-girigir kung mag-girigir.
Spread.
Very good, pero yung pag sinabing push boys.
Yung northeast, sayang. Lahat ng DPS nila dun. Northeast corner.
Masyado kayo
Yun yung
naghahakag sa southwest side, guys. Don't be too scared.
Don't be scared, guys.
Breaker ginagawa mo.
Wala yan.
Pesto kayo, Albert, hinil mo ba ako?
Yes.
Becker, dito
Kaya
ka
sabi ko
sa
balik
ano,
eh.
I love you, pre.
Nice
Hinap
pick.
na ulit. Oy, nanguhuli sila. Again, nanguhuli sila.
3 minutes.
Yo,
chat,
Alpox, do a pick northeast. Alpox. Do a pick northeast. Yo, defense up front. Everything on the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the gate. Hit the gate. Keep rolling inside you. Come southwest. May cleric pa kayo. Ready, spread. Spread on my southwest. Hello. Spread on my southwest. Keep rolling. Spread on my southwest. Pull the best up north. Pull the best out. Okay. Take over.
Yo,
Fucking hell.
hold. Let's brawl them out of the castle. Brawl them out. Yo, we're in the southeast side. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1 southeast side of the castle, and click southwest. We get out of this room. Click southwest.
Go kanan.
Get inside.
Pasok kanan.
Step up. Someone step up. We're good.
Yo,
Go kanan, boys. Go kanan, everyone. Go kanan.
Hold southwest. Find me.
Chad, are you alive?
Yes, find me.
Sorry, give me ano ka, Zoro.
Yo,
give
just
me
be
Arctic.
how broken are we? Are we just not just giga broken? Okay, just hold. Yo, we're gonna play it like
We're good.
it's a
Hold.
Mark Wicked, guys.
Yeah,
Mark
pretty
Wicked.
in the front. Just wait.
Mark Wicked.
Really shallow.
Yeah, I'm
Yo,
looking for
fakes. Can you get some fakes? Oh, Alpox fake.
No.
It's fake in the front.
Nothing.
Yo,
I
let
didn't
the-
get anything.
Yo, okay, it's fine. Yo, let them break. Boys, listen. We are brawl. Let them fucking break. Find me. Let them break. Come, Lord. Back up.
Lord, boys. Lord.
32, mark niya si Wicked, guys. Just mark Wicked.
Yeah, already marked.
Let them break.
No more healers in party 2 ah.
Go inside, boys. Go inside.
Yo,
Come
let
inside.
them be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready. When they break, we're going to eat all of their engage. We're going to eat their engage. Be ready, be ready. Spread, 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 spread. You're going to eat their engage. You're going to eat it. You're going to eat it. You're going to eat it. They're looking, they're looking. They're looking in the front. They're looking in the front. Be ready for the defenses. Yo, let them step in. Be ready for the defensive. We're going to walk them out of the castle. Be ready to walk them out of the castle. Wait, 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 wait. Don't walk in yet. The defensive, 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 defensive. Everything, everything. Defensive, defensive. Yo, walk into them. Walk into them. Yo, brawlers, do your thing. Brawlers, do your thing. Walk in, walk in, walk in. Alphax fake, Alphax fake, whatever. No ease yet. Walk them out of the castle. Walk them out. Walk them out. Be ready in the choke. In the choke. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. In
Find Wicked, find Wicked. Oh my god, you didn't find Wicked, guys. Drop on
Yo,
him,
Alphax, you need to take over.
Okay. Yeah, everyone hold. Hold. Come southeast and roll. Come southeast and roll. Spread. They have cooldowns now. Ready defensive now. Ready defensive now. Kick pots. Alright, keep walking northwest. Hold northwest. Be ready, okay? We counter. Qs and Ws only. Wait, Qs and Ws more. Brawlers, keep doing your thing. Go northwest on their backline. Brawlers, go on their backline. Just wait. Look northwest on me, alright? Alphax in 5, 4, 3,
Find Crown,
1. South now. Okay, come back. Nothing. Just Qs and Ws on the guys inside of us. They're low.
Gonna go overextend sila na.
Yeah, just kill the guys inside of us. Don't overextend.
Pwede na ba natin buksan to? Sayang yung points eh.
Kill the guys inside of us. Open it. Hold now. Come back stairs southeast.
Ni-interrupt na lang.
Open it now. If you can open, alright? Qs and Ws are now. Hold. Detach hold.
Wag lahat, boys.
I'll change my
They're
passive.
letting us open.
Nice one.
Alright,
change
chill.
my passive.
Alright, good job. Hold. D-tanks be ready. Brawlers be ready, okay? Brawlers, D-tanks be ready. Brawlers go in now. Brawlers go in their backline on the west. Brawlers go west. Go west. Brawlers only. Now hold. Yo, inside of us, look west, alright? Guys, look west. On the west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West on me.
Find Crown.
Oh my god.
You need to find Crown, guys. Ready to mark Alphax, please.
Come southeast now.
Wait, I can't find out.
Hold again.
Engaging.
Nice.
No,
Fake.
no.
Fine. Come southeast. Hold. Qs and Ws on the guys inside of you. Mark all party 2, please.
Mark, already mark.
Oy, hold.
Pahil. Find the Alphax, guys.
Yo, come south, Carlota.
Hey,
Carlota,
guys.
GPS,
Carlota,
Arlo.
Uy!
Come south. Go southeast of Alphax. Go southeast of Alphax. Don't be west of Alphax. Come southeast of Alphax, guys.
GA ako.
Come southeast more, guys. Southeast. Please. Makinig kayo. Now hold. Kill tech na sa north. Hold right now. Brawlers, D-tanks go in.
Inching.
Brawlers, D-tanks only. Careful in the middle, alright? Careful. They're gonna engage soon. Hold, okay? Hold defensives. Wait. They're gonna engage now. Wait. Be ready with defenses on the stairs. Defenses now.
Spots.
Defensive. Look northwest in 5, 4, straight north. 3, 2, 1, straight north now.
Nice.
Come southeast. Don't push. Southeast.
Go back. Southeast,
Reset.
balik.
Reset everyone. Reset. Alright, if they fall back, we take loot, we go out, okay? Come back. Dark, Midzerk, come south.
Only rigger sila.
Just come south.
Gago
Alright, loot up now.
11 minutes,
Everyone loot up.
They're walking out.
Alright, everyone mount up. Ready, in 3, 2, 1, mount up now. No.
Ditangs, party 2, huy. Ditangs, party 2. Come back.
Come southwest. They're just gonna re-gear chat. I don't want to keep fighting. Come southwest, gate.
May-
Southwest gate.